Fastest possible contagion algorithm with iGraph. I'm trying to write a contagion algorithm that creates an iGraph graph. Looks up 4 random nodes with, say, a fire, state equals true. Spreads the fire to another node if at least 10% of its neighbors are on fire. The node which spread the fire it exhausted, state equals false. Stop when no node is on fire. Here's my code so far. It runs pretty slow on my computer unfortunately, and I need to compute a lot of replicates. Is there a way to optimize this code, or maybe use a different method to perform a contagion in a much more efficient way? I base this algorithm on this URL. Edit, a run with profiler provides a little more information. Count similarity uses up the most resources, by far.
I think you are duplicating your work. At each time step you check whether the vertex at hand infects others or not, namely you run count similarity only for the vertex at hand. Instead you run it for all the neighbors of the vertex. Here is what I think the following code might work well. I have also changed the logic of the code. Now it's focused on the susceptibles and iterate through them. It's faster now but one has to check the results for integrity. My change in the count similarity might have also made it a little bit faster.
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.